What if I told you that the ads that your competitors have been running for the last 90 days, the one that's helping them make money, is sitting right in front of you, visible and completely free to study? Not hacked, not leaked, publicly available, and no one knows about it. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a free tool that you can use to understand your competitors' ad strategy on Facebook and Instagram. This tool is called as Meta Ads Library, developed by Meta themselves. Available for free, no account needed, no credit card, nothing to download, just a website. I'll be sharing the link of this tool in the description. Stay tuned.
So this is the tool that I was sharing, facebook.com/ads/library. I'll share its link in the description also. You can select the country, ad category, all ads. Search any keyword or any brand name. For example, let me search Swiggy. You'll see all the ads that's running in India on Facebook or Instagram by Swiggy. So see, this ad is by Swiggy Instamart, started running from 8th January, and the platform on which this is running on Facebook, Instagram, etc. You can see the ad details to have a clear view of the titles that they are using and where they are taking you. Another example that I'll be showing you is of Nykaa. You can even write any brand name or any competitors of your choice. Let me show you the ads running by Nykaa on Facebook, or this ad is running on Facebook and Instagram. This is running on other platforms as well. Again, you can see the ad details, the ad headlines and description that Nykaa is using. You can even write a keyword here. For example, digital marketing. Say digital marketing in India, all ads. Let's see what's appearing here. So all these ads are running by some digital marketing training institute or companies. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Save this, share this, subscribe my channel, and I'll share with you free more tools that be helpful to you. Thank you so much.